Fifth grade into math module 19, graphs and patterns. Where is the treasure? A treasure is hidden under the number on the hundreds chart. Use the clues to shade the other 99 numbers. The number that is left unshaded holds the treasure, which of course is really the treasure, but we're looking for that hidden number, right? Okay, so shade the numbers in the patterns described below. So start with 3. So we're starting with 3. We're going to shade 3 in. Oh, I don't know how well this is going to work on the board. There we go. Okay. Then the rule is subtract 2, then add 5. So if I subtract 2, I'm back at 1. And if I add 5, I'm at what? 6. Okay. Subtract 2, I'm at 4. Add 5, I'm at. Okay. Subtract 2, I'm at 7. Add 5, I'm at 12. Subtract 2, I'm at 10. Add 5, I'm at. Subtract 2, I'm at 13. Add 5, I'm at. Subtract 2, I'm at. Add 5, I'm at. 21. Subtract 2, I'm at 19. Add 5, I'm at. Subtract 2, I'm at 22. Add 5, I'm at. Subtract 2, I'm at. Add 5, I'm at. Subtract 2, I'm at. Add 5, I'm at. So what are we at? Okay. Subtract 2, I'm at. Add 5, I'm at. Subtract 2, I'm at. Add 5, I'm at. Subtract 2, I'm at. And then add 5, I'm at. What am I at? I've heard 2 different things. 42. Subtract 2, I'm at. Add 5, I'm at. Subtract 2, I'm at. Add 5, I'm at. Subtract 2, I'm at. Add 5, I'm at. Okay. Subtract 2, I'm at. Add 5, I'm at. 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 Subtract 2, I'm at. Add 2, I'm at. Subtract 2, 70, right? Add 5, 75. Okay, subtract 2. Add 5, I'm at. Subtract 2. Add 5. Subtract 2. Plus 5. Subtract 2. Add 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 3. Or add 5, sorry. 99. Okay, so basically, if you notice, each one had two open spaces between each dot, right? So the next one is we're going to start at 2 and add 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 6 is 14, plus 6 is 20, plus 6 is, plus 6 is, plus 6 is, plus 6 is, plus 6 is 50, plus 6 is, plus 6 is 62, right? Plus 6 is, plus 6 is, plus 6 is plus 6 plus 6, 92, right? Okay, and then plus 6 is, okay, I start at 5, add 12, so 5 plus 12 is, plus 12 is, plus 12 is, no, I already have 29, 29 plus 12 is 41, plus 12 is 53, plus 12 is 55, plus 12 is, plus 12 is, and then what's 89 plus 12? 101, and that's all on there, right? Okay, start at 83. We realize subtract 12. So what's 83 minus 12? 71. 71 minus 12 is. So basically, guys, what you could also do is you could go back to 61, that's 10, right? Okay, and then do 2 more, which is what? 59. You could do it that way too, right? Okay, what's 59 minus 12? 47, right? 47 minus 12 is 35. 35 minus 12 is 23. 23 minus 12 is 11. And then you can't go anymore, right? Okay, start at 1. The rule is add 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16 plus 3 is 19 plus 3 is, or 22 plus 20, or plus 3 is 25 plus 3 is 28 plus 3 is 31 plus 3 is 34 plus 3, 37 plus 3 is 40 plus 3 is 43 plus 3 is 46 plus 3 is 49 plus 3 is 52 plus 3 is 55 plus 3 is 58 plus 3 is 61 plus 3 is 64 plus 3 is 7 plus 3 is 7 plus 3 is 73 plus 3 is 73 or 76 plus 3 is 79 plus 3 is 82 plus 3 is 85 plus 3 is 88 plus 3 is 91 plus 3 is 94 plus 3 is 97 plus 3 is. So our hidden treasure is 95. Are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills you will need for this module. Make line plots to display measurement data. Make a line plot to show the data. So we've kind of already done this a little bit on where we found like average and stuff, right guys? Okay. So Jenny uses a ruler to measure the thickness of 12 photo albums. The thicknesses are, okay, so they list all those things. So how many X's are we going to have on our line plot? 12, right? Okay, so the first one, we can put an X at 1 inch. Then the next one is 1.5. Next one is 2.5. The next one is 2 1/4. Next one is 2 1/4. So we just stack our X's up when it's another multiple or another one of it. 1.5, need another X. 2 1/4, another X. 2.5, another X. 2 1/4, another X. 2 inches, an X, and then another one, and then 1.5. Okay, so let's count our X's to make sure we have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, as we're doing that, we could have also put like a little check mark in each box to say that we got it, right? Okay. But, all right, so generate, so make a line plot to show the data. And so we did that, right? Okay, we need anything else? Nope, that's just it. Now remember when we found it and it said like how many total inches did that you usually would have added up all of those fractions, right? Okay, or if it would have said what was the average amount for each one, then we would have added them all up and divided by 12. Okay, so sometimes you make your line plot and then you use that to help you find other answers. Okay, generate and analyze number patterns. Use the rule to write the numbers in the pattern, then describe another pattern in the numbers. Okay, so rule, add 6. So we started with 2, so 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 6 is 20, 20 plus 6 is 26 plus 6 is 32 plus 6 is 38 plus 6 is 44. Okay, so you go 2 to, how do you get from 2 to 8? What's another rule we could do? What do you notice? 8, 20, 32, 44, those are what? Multiples of 4, so every other number is a multiple of 4. Okay. Rule, multiply by 2, then add 1. So the first term is 1. So 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Let's see, 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30, plus 1 is 31 times 2 is 62, plus 1 is 63. Okay, then this one's going to get a little bit bigger. 63 times 2 is what? 126 plus 1 is 127. Then 127 times 2. 2 times, listen, 2 times 7 is 14. Plus the 4, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 2 is what? Sorry, 2 times 1 is 2. Now we still have to add the 1, so we're going to erase the 4 and 255, right? Okay, so what do you notice about all these numbers? Do you see anything? They're all odd. All of these numbers are odd. All of these numbers are odd.